tea party. What's the best? These look really good.
Yeah. Okay, Lily, what can I get you? Do you need a little sandwich?
No.
No?
Now, look, there's Diet 7-Up in there with ice for the white glasses, and then there's hot tea in here.
You have one. The cream and sugar. Who would like the cantaloupe?
I already have had it.
Okay.
No, it's for you.
Yeah.
I already have a
Did you take a sandwich? Take an
Lily's
egg
had
salad
like
sandwich.
5. See this dent?
Now we need...
Let's get Grandpa a sandwich. Oh, they're getting a little dry.
Thank you.
Okay, yep,
Now
grab
I
a
want
sandwich.
tea.
Here, Leah. Oh, you got one.
Okay,
I want some.
let's
yum
get
up.
you some.
Okay. This. Need this.
Uh-oh. I filled it up too hot. Okay, now you have to add some sugar and milk. Okay, so here's some sugar.
Me too.
Okay. You want to put some sugar in your tea? Okay, put some sugar in there.
Okay, just put a little spoonful.
For you?
That's for me too. We could pour them some drink in their other. Okay. When you have a 2-year-old in charge of the tea party. Okay. Here's your spoon. Can you stir it? No, it's hot.
I need to put that in it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, can
The
you stir it?
spoon for the sugar is.
Oh,
Lily.
yes. Okay. Thank you.
Now
I'll just put this way. Oh, yum. I got to have some tea.
2 hands with it, Leah.
What's good?
Egg salad sandwiches are yummy.
They're getting a little dry because I made them first. When I shouldn't have. I should have made
Is it
them
hot?
last. Here, have some
Is it
salad.
hot,
too.
Lily? Is it hot?
do it.
Do you want
Yeah,
some of this
blow on it,
pistachio
huh?
salad, sweetie?